Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 125th Skill High Grade Narrative Gundam C packs. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, before I go into unboxing, you guys might know that I have not been uploading much videos recently. That's because, well, to put it simply, I have internship. If you guys on my Facebook page, the updates on my Facebook page, you guys might know by now that I'm not really free as I'm supposed to, like during the holidays. Yes, it is my holidays now, but I've internship for about 5 to 6 months. So, I'll try my best to build some content on the way, but there's no guarantee that I will make reviews or more unboxings. I'll do unboxings, but I won't be doing much reviews unless I'm able to build these kits on time. So yeah. So let's go to unboxings. So yeah, here's the narrative Gundam. So I've watched the Gundam narrative movie, as some of you may or may not know, but well, the box itself like has a lot of spoilers basically. Just when looking at this, so I'm not gonna explain much about what's going on in the movie and what this box is showing. I mean the manual and the text, but all I can say about the Gundam narrative is that it's really good. It's a good movie. It's the first time actually watching a movie in theaters. So first time watching a Gundam movie in theaters. So yeah, it's really fun. It's a really fun movie. It's a pretty cool movie. I really enjoyed it. So if you guys want to watch the movie, I highly recommend watching it. I mean, I know it's not in theaters anymore, so I recommend you get the DVD or Blu-ray when it comes out. And yes, and yeah, as you guys notice, my voice is a little bit low. It's because it's a little bit late night right now. But yeah. Oh my god, what's my face though? Okay, anyways, so yeah, yeah, let's go to unboxing. So yeah, the box art is very reminiscent to the high grade Unicorn Gundam Destroy mode, the very first Unicorn in the high grade line. So yeah, it really gives me like those times like when I first been Unicorn. It was pretty cool, and yeah, I mean. As you guys may not know, the cycle frame on the narrative Gundam C packs is basically the Unicorn. It's basically the Unicorn cycle frame. I guess I'm not gonna explain much, but you guys probably know by now what's going on in the movie. But if you guys haven't watched it, go watch it when it comes out in DVD or Blu-ray. So yeah, and there's the FedEx and the second Neo Zeon. On the side, oh yeah, strangely enough, I was glad that I did not get the Apex version, just because, I was originally wanting to get the Apex, but, I found myself, yeah, I'd rather wait because, there's a chance that they may release a B pack or a C pack, and finally enough, they released a C pack, which is cheaper, and, you know, you get a playable vendor, unlike the Apex, which is a break once you put it on your shelf. So yeah. Alright, on the side, you get a front and back shot of the model. And then you also get the you get the action, basically what the kit can do. You got the gimmicks here, and then the movements are here, and there's the gimmicks and the weapons. On the side you got the I'm gonna show that. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. So on the side we have the details about the narrative, which again I'm not gonna show because it's gonna spoil a lot. And like the new model kits, there's no retail price, but it costs $2,300 if I remember correctly. Alright, so the box live. I'm really excited to get the narrative. Like I want a version narrative, and finally they made the C-Pack version, which is, yeah, it does its job. Right, tape open. So in the box. Come on. There you go. First pack we got the multicolor runner, you just see, and yeah, you get the V-fin, and then all the great parts of the narrative. I remember on the Apex these parts are separate, like on separate runners, but on the C packs it's on multicolor runner. I mean, and as far as I know, I don't think you're able to build a regular narrative Gundam out of this, because you're missing some parts to make the actual. Excuse me. You're missing some parts to make the actual, like the normal Gundam, the narrative Gundam. Yeah, the clear, which is nice. Yeah, the clear piece of the eyes is pretty good. And then you got the cockpit section of the core fighter, and on the oh, excuse me. Oh, why that voice though? Okay. Okay. So on the front, you got a gray part typically. the E plate, which is all the cycle frame, and yeah, here's the beam sabers, which unfortunately, I don't know why they didn't give us a separate beam saber runner for the narrative, but I mean it's pink, so it's reddish pink, so they just might as well use that. But unfortunately, because of this, if you can see closely, they have bubbles in the beam sabers, which is not a good sign. I mean, all the clip outs are fine except for the beam sabers, so yeah, I won't be using. I don't think I'll be using beam sabers. I think, but I'll just. I mean, you can cut them out, so it's perfectly fine. But yeah, these bubbles in the beam saber aren't that good. It's not that great. And then you got the H plate, which are the new great parts for the narrative gun and the beam rifle, which. And then on the G plate, you got the new white parts for the narrative gun. You got the shield and like the new parts here and there. The the B1 plate, which is the old joints for the narrative gun, the regular narrative Gundam. And then on the back, got the A1 plate, which is again the white version from the original narrative Gundam. The D plate, which is the kind of a blackish navy blue, and then yeah, basically the feet, the backpack, and yeah, and the crotch and the jewel in the forehead. The polycaps, which if I remember correctly, you're not using most of these polycaps. Like you only use like a fraction amount of these polycaps. And then you get the blue for the cockpit section of the core fighter, which I kind of wish the core fighter transforms, but what you gonna do? In the last pack, we got the A2 plate and the B2 plate, which is the joints and the armor. Alright, let's go to the side and get to the manual, if I can get it. Spinal lift doesn't come. I think for the international release, you don't get the mechanical report, which basically shows like the liner of like some of the mobiles in narrative, which is kind of weird, but never mind that actually. Okay, so yeah, there's the manual. Basically on the back, again, you should show the details about the narrative. I'm not going to go through that because it's got spoilers. And then basically, yeah, the usual stuff for a Gunpla. You put the body, the head, the arms, the feet, the legs, you build the waist, and then the weapons. And yeah. By the way, I will check whether if this kit can go under blacklight. I'll put a title here just to confirm whether it does. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the high grade narrative C packs. Yeah, I'll see if I can build this if I have time, but don't expect a review anytime soon. So if I do, then I'll probably post it like sometime later. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.